Let's bring you back to Nigeria, where psychiatrists have called on the federal government to declare a state of emergency on drug abuse in Nigeria in order to save the country from looming danger. They made this known in Abeokuta at a program organized by resident doctors at the Neuropsychiatric Hospital, Abeokuta. Kazim Olowe has more on this story.
Cannabis sativa or marijuana is one of the popular drugs being abused in Nigeria. Aside from the youths, some elderly persons have also turned addicts. Recently, some prominent Nigerians pushed for the legalization of cannabis sativa in the country, but they are yet to get positive response. While trying to create awareness about cannabis sativa and other illicit drugs currently in circulation in the country, the resident doctors at Neuropsychiatric Hospital Abeokuta organized a debate among secondary school students to discuss advantages and disadvantages of legalization of the plant.
Cannabis is a drug that itself has the property of being abused. So people will always abuse the drug, and this will increase crime rates in our country.
Abeokuta is the first Afrobeat musician to take Afrobeat music to the white man's land, and it was greatly accepted. But you know that Fela used cannabis both on stage and off stage back then in those years. But that didn't make him to misbehave.
Although it was confirmed that the plant has medicinal, recreational, and economic benefits, psychiatrists say the disadvantages of using cannabis sativa in Nigeria are more than the advantages.
I think it's high time that federal government make a definite statement and declare drug abuse as a state as a medical emergency, and the same vigor and approach that federal government is using to tackle COVID infection, COVID-19, should do the same thing to tackle the problem of drug use among the youth.
So really, it catches them so young. And we are talking about the youths of this nation. And a nation development and progress is anchored on the young minds.
There must be a concerted effort at the individual level, at the family level, at the society level for us to combat the menace of substance use. Everybody must rise up. The religious body, in the churches, the mosque, every organization must rise up, because this thing is going to destroy us if we do not rise up on time.
With the increasing rate of drug abuse in Nigeria, experts have called on stakeholders and, of course, the government to find a way of declaring state of emergency on drug abuse in the country in order to save the future generation. Kazim Olowe, TVC News, Abeokuta.